Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my channel. Hello. And then this assignment from our teacher.
Our teacher, your teacher?
My teacher.
Oh, yeah.
My teachers is Mr. Man and Mom Nova.
Okay.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Razial Hamidin Nasution. I am from CTC programs and I am from impressive class.
Okay.
So, would you like to tell your?
Okay, good evening, Mr. Man and Ma'am Nova. I am Cantika from MS 100. So, brother, what is our topic today?
Our topic today is about what is your feelings.
Okay, your feeling.
Yeah.
So, what is your feeling now?
My feelings is good.
It's good.
I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful.
Okay, explain it. Well, from your from beginning today. Start you woke up.
I wake up at 2 a.m.
Woke up.
I woke up at 2 a.m. Because of what is the human always beating you? The animals is always beating you.
What is that? Mosquito.
Mosquito. Mosquito,
Oh,
yeah.
no, because of mosquito.
Because of mosquito, I overweight.
Over woke up.
I overwoke up.
But you woke up at 2
I woke up at 2 a.m.
a.m. That's
Actually, I always woke up at 4 a.m.
it's early.
Yeah, it's
over
early.
over this morning then.
It's early.
Okay. And then what did you feel when
I feel bad.
You feel bad?
In the morning because of the mosquito. So I not enough to sleep.
Oh,
To sleep.
okay. You didn't sleep well.
I didn't sleep well.
Oh, you didn't sleep well.
So and then I prepared to go to BC at 6 a.m. and then I went to BC at 6 past 30.
6 past 30.
6 past 30. So and then I have many spirits today
Okay, what is that?
because I have to change my life, my habit. I have
Change
to
your
change my
habit.
habit.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is your habit before?
I'm just lazy before.
Lazy.
I am just lazy. I was.
Okay. And then so now?
So now I have to make small spirits.
Like spirit. And then after you study club, after you did study club,
Yeah, I got rest.
I
I got
What did you feel when you were study club today?
I was feel sleepy
Sleeping.
because of I not enough to sleep.
You didn't sleep well. And then so then
But
after study club.
after study club, I went to my boarding house. Then I sleep, and then
Did you
I
have
pass.
breakfast? Did you have a breakfast first?
Yeah, I did. Yes, I did.
Okay.
Then I passed the lesson.
Past lesson?
I skipped the lesson, Mr. Man, because of I woke up lately.
Lately, also after study club,
I went to my boarding house
And then
then
slept again.
and slept again.
Astaghfirullah. And then,
So
did you send a message to Miss Ahmed?
no, I didn't.
Oh my God, you will absent. You will absent.
Yeah, I was absent. So every day I always work actually because of I have been a long time here.
Mm.
I've been a long time, so I just
Since
since July,
June.
last July,
Okay.
last
So
year.
this is the first course, or you
No,
have taken.
I have taken course before.
Where is it? Where it was?
It was in Empire in the first one, then I took in Peace,
In peace.
then I took in Daffodils.
Did you feel different way to explain? Listen to from what's that? What the name? Peace. Peace then busy. Did you feel different?
Yeah,
What?
it was very different. Actually, guys, I don't promote about any course, but actually BEC is the fun course, I think, because we have many friends here and that has been a long time, for a long time. Mm. Difference in other course like just 2 weeks and it just for a month.
But many people say that this is for no course than others.
So that is because of formal course. I think this course is very amazing.
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 Why? Explain.
We have to wake up always every day.
Yeah, every day we have
morning.
to wake up.
No. I mean, we have to wake up every day.
Wake up early.
Wake up early.
And then
We can't lazy or lazier.
lazier.
We can't be lazier.
Oh, you cannot be lazier.
We can't be lazier.
And then
We can't enjoy everything
you
because of BEC has what's the name? How to say? Oh, rules, many rules in BEC.
Yeah. So what did you feel with it?
I feel just like same as when I study in my university. Just it. The atmosphere is same.
That this is better than others or
Better.
better?
Better.
So what is your purpose studying this?
My purpose after I graduated in BC is I will be a tutor
You will be the
in
tutor.
Paris.
Do you want to join us?
Yeah, I will be if I can.
Yeah, okay.
Maybe it's enough. We have to finish this video.
Okay, sure.
Thank you for your time. Thank you for your attention,
Yeah,
Miss
okay,
Cantika.
my pleasure.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you guys.
Okay.